This is your reading for today. Before I move on to any other messages that the cards have for you today, the one thing I can see very clearly is that some of you are going to be getting married very soon. While the talks may have been in the process for a while, the actual wedding date is going to be finalized so suddenly, and it is going to be so close at hand that you are going to feel totally unprepared, and it is going to make you anxious in a good way. There's a wedding celebration coming up and everybody is going to be terribly excited, but the date is going to be so close from the time you see this reading is that you are going to feel like you have to rush everything and there is so much to do, and it's like all your energy is getting utilized, and suddenly you have this adrenaline rushing through you. This has to be done, that has to be done. It is definitely going to happen very fast. Okay, so get ready looking for the priest to officiate the wedding. Get ready preparing things, get ready buying your clothes, buying your trousseau, get ready inviting people, because this is going to happen for some of you very soon. For others, you are going to be the guests who are going to be invited to the wedding of a very close one, and again this is going to be something which you were totally not expecting. I mean, yeah, you knew that the talks are on, but you were expecting it, say, a year down the line or a couple of months down the line, but this is going to come all of a sudden and you will have to like rush and book your tickets and everything. Okay, for some others over here, something is going to change for you, and and this change is going to be something which is going to enhance your financial status. It is going to enhance the security in your life. It is going to bring more stability into your family. This is something that you have been waiting for a very, very long time, and the wheel is now turning, and suddenly you will see that things are happening. This is happening, that is happening, and everything seems to be falling in place, but everything seems to be falling in place all of a sudden over here. Now, to handle the situation, some of you will have to really leave some things behind in your day-to-day life. Like if you were focusing on other things, now this thing is suddenly going to come up and you will really have to leave those things behind. And it can also be that you will have to take some time off from your family because you need to focus on this work. It could also cause you some emotional turbulence because this work that is coming up needs a lot of time and attention. You may also need the guidance of somebody over here, somebody who is like a teacher, a guide, a mentor. It could also be somebody who is a legal expert for some people. You will need somebody's guidance, or you will need to read up yourself on all these things so that you are totally prepared for it. Okay, two energies in your life, a masculine and a feminine energy, who could be associated with this situation, associated with this new development in your life. These are people who are very strong, capable, clear, logical, and they will help you work through this. They will support you to get through this sudden development or this work that has come onto your plate. And it is going to be a good thing for you for sure, but it is going to be a lot of work. And you will have, it could be a couple, it could be your parents, it could also be a brother-in-law and a sister-in-law who is helping you. But a masculine and a feminine energy who is going to be able to cut through all the confusion and give you the sense of structure over here. Don't worry, you will get over it. You will win this, as in things will go in your favor. It will give you a few anxious nights, of course, but things will work out. Take the guidance and advice of somebody wise and somebody who's older to you and somebody who is experienced in these things. And there's a lot of stability coming. Don't try something very innovative, radical, outside the box. Stick to the book as of now to solve this issue. Stay to the structure. Go by what is tried and tested and traditional, and don't try something radical. That is the advice for today. My private readings are open. The details are there in the caption. I'll see you with another reading very soon. Have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.